The cryptocurrency market continues to evolve, with new innovations and trends shaping the industry. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain dominant, several other projects are pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology. Whether you're an investor, trader, or simply a crypto enthusiast, here are the top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch this year. 1. Bitcoin, BTC, the king of crypto. Bitcoin remains the most valuable and widely recognized cryptocurrency in the world. With its fixed supply of 21 million coins, institutional adoption, and growing demand, BTC is seen as a hedge against inflation and a store of value. The upcoming Bitcoin halving event will further reduce the supply of new coins, potentially driving up prices. Major corporations and financial institutions continue to integrate Bitcoin into their portfolios, reinforcing its dominance. 2. Ethereum, ETH, the smart contract leader. Ethereum is the backbone of the decentralized finance, DeFi, and NFT industries, powering thousands of applications. Its transition from proof of work, POW, to proof of stake, POS, has made Ethereum more energy efficient and scalable. Layer 2 solutions like Optimism, Arbitrum, and ZK rollups further enhance transaction speeds and reduce costs. With continued upgrades and an expanding ecosystem, Ethereum remains a crucial player in the crypto world. 3. Solana, SOL, the high-speed blockchain. Solana has emerged as a top competitor to Ethereum, offering ultra-fast transactions with low fees. Capable of handling over 65,000 transactions per second, Solana is attracting developers in areas like NFTs, gaming, and decentralized applications. Despite past network outages, Solana's ecosystem is growing rapidly, with major projects launching on its blockchain. Its ability to provide speed and scalability makes it a key cryptocurrency to watch. 4. XRP, the future of cross-border payments. XRP, developed by Ripple Labs, is designed for fast, low-cost cross-border transactions, making it a favorite among financial institutions. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP transactions settle in seconds, making it a viable alternative to traditional banking systems. The ongoing legal battle between Ripple and regulators has had a significant impact on XRP's price, but recent victories have boosted confidence among investors. If regulatory clarity improves, XRP could see increased adoption. 5. Chainlink, the bridge between blockchains and real-world data. Chainlink is a decentralized Oracle network that connects smart contracts with real-world data. It is essential for many DeFi applications, allowing them to access price feeds, weather data, sports results, and more. As blockchain technology expands into industries like insurance, supply chain management, and gaming, Chainlink's role becomes even more critical. Its partnerships with top blockchain projects and enterprises make it a must-watch cryptocurrency. Why these cryptos matter? These 5 cryptocurrencies are not just hype. They have real-world use cases and are driving innovation in the blockchain space. Bitcoin remains the leader in digital gold and institutional adoption. Ethereum powers the largest ecosystem of decentralized applications. Solana provides high-speed solutions for NFTs and gaming. XRP is revolutionizing the financial system, and Chainlink is enabling smart contracts to interact with real-world data. Crypto markets are volatile, but these projects have shown resilience and long-term potential. Whether you're a long-term investor or an active trader, keeping an eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Chainlink could help you navigate the evolving crypto landscape. Diversifying across these assets can provide exposure to different aspects of blockchain technology, ensuring you stay ahead in the world of cryptocurrency.